Finding assets with the Media Browser panel. In many ways, the Media Browser is like the Finder on macOS or Explorer on Windows. It has forward and back buttons to go through your recent navigation. If you select a storage location in the left area, its contents are displayed on the right. Continue working with your My Lesson 03 project. Begin by resetting the workspace to the default. In the Workspaces panel, click Editing. Then, open the panel menu adjacent to the Editing option and choose Reset to Saved Layout, or double-click the editing workspace name. Click the Media Browser panel name to bring it to the front of the panel group. It should be docked with the project panel by default. To make the Media Browser easier to see, position your pointer over the panel, and then press the accent-grave key. It is often in the upper left corner of a keyboard. Non-English keyboards may use a different key. Or double-click the panel name. The Media Browser panel should now fill the screen. In the navigation area, browse to and select the folder Lessons, Assets, Video and Audio Files, Theft Unexpected. If it is not already selected, click the Thumbnail View button at the lower left of the Media Browser panel and drag the Resize slider next to it to enlarge the thumbnails of the clips. Choose any size you like. You can hover your pointer over any clip thumbnail that is not selected without clicking to see a preview of the clip contents. Hovering over the left edge shows the start of the clip. Hovering over the right edge shows the end of the clip. Click any clip once to select it. You can now preview the clip using keyboard shortcut. When a clip is selected while in thumbnail view, a small preview timeline appears under the clip. Press the L key or the spacebar to play a clip. To stop playback, press the K key or press the spacebar again. To play backward, press the J key. Experiment with playing back other clips. You should be able to hear the clip audio during playback. You can press the J or L key multiple times to increase the playback rate for fast previews, using the K key or the spacebar to pause playback. Now, you'll import all these clips into your project. Press Command-A on Mac or Control-A on Windows to select all the clips. Right-click one of the selected clips and choose Import. You have now imported some clips. The project panel opens automatically and displays the clips. Position your pointer over the project panel and press the accent-grave key or double-click the project panel name to restore the panel group to its original size.